Hey guys, I got a Trap Master, yeah. I got Gear Shift. You guys might be familiar with her. Gear Shift. And we're gonna do a time lapse. Before we do the time lapse, let's get a better look at Gear Shift. Alright, so this is the box. She says, all geared up. Ultimate Trappers. Let's trap. Parallaxis, it says there. There's a nice picture of her right there. Jawbreaker, Chopper, Treadhead, and Drobit are the other text for Skylanders Trap Team. I have not posted my videos of my previous things, but I thought I'd post this for now. I already have Trapped Chaos, so yeah, I'll leave that in the description below when the video might come out, or probably or whatnot. Might be too much big of a description, might be small. Honestly, that's what I'm aiming for. My dad gave this to me, and yeah, so what's up? Okay, during this time lapse, I was apparently not wearing a shirt, and then I finally put on a shirt, so yeah, that's why you see me leave. Anyways, while I'm doing this, please subscribe to my cousin's channel when you're done. His name is Justin31404. He has an unboxing of 2 Skylanders. Those 2 Skylanders were starter pack because he has to Nitro Kip, Crypt King, and whatnot. And alright, so Walrus. Show the nice box right here. Chain Black. I'm gonna add her to my Lost Islands. Skylanders Lost Islands. Sorry. Well, let's get this off here. Okay, anyways, when you're done with this, I will leave a link in the description below, and I will answer the question to the video of how to do it. You guys have already left like 10 likes. Thank you for that. 3,000 subscribers, HD capture for my gameplay videos and stuff like that. 3,000 subscribers. So we have Gear Shift here. She's nice. She got her hoop. Not hoop, earrings. What are you guys thinking? Anyway, she got her nice hoop earrings. You can get just look at her hoop. Hello, anyone through? You can see me. Anyways, enough selling around. So here's Gear Shift. My garbage here. Here is Gear Shift's card. You can see it right there. I mean, not her card, her sticker sheet. And then the code. Here is Gear Shift's card. Alright, 130. So basically 130 of everything. 130 strength, 130 shield, 130 speed, 130 luck. Basically, I'll phrase it like that. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Do dangerous stuff. Anyways, I will have another fun video coming out soon. I will be having a new channel which I will be posting videos rapidly. I am trying to do this on. If I can get at least 30 likes on any video, just 30 likes on it and like 20 comments, I will make my new channel soon and have my own green screen, and I will be using HD capture and all that stuff to make you guys like and make some funny comedy stuff. And I know I've been not promising things and keeping them lately, so yeah, I will be, and get secret and get some stuff out of me. Anyway, this is Logan / Cars Thomas fan. I get that mixed up. Anyways, if you guys play Club Penguin, my name is Cars Thomas Fa. That's why I always say Fa. It's a little annoying in my brain, so cray. Anyways, Gear Shift saying bye. Gear Shift, what are you doing? You're freaking them out. Gear Shift. Gear Shift, what are you doing? Isn't that creepy? Alright, bye, guys. Bye. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. I might have said stuff before, but remember, check out my cousin channel, Justin31404. Subscribe, comment, HD capture coming soon. By the way, happy Halloween!